Hi students, today I am explaining dynamometer type, wattmeter, or electrodynamometer type instrument. Dynamometer type wattmeter consists of two coils. This is the fixed coil and this is the moving coil, and also consists of axial or spindle. Axial or spindle. Next, jeweled bearings. This is the bottom jeweled bearings. This is top jeweled bearings. Light aluminum, pointer, scale, high resistance. These all are the parts of dynamometer type instruments. Next, construction of dynamometer type instrument. The fixed coil is divided into two equal parts. This is the first part, F1. This is the another part, F1, fixed coil. This fixed coil is divided into equal parts with equal number of turns. The fixed coil is also known as current coil. Fixed coil produces the flux is series flux. Why you are say fixed coil produces flux is series flux means the coil is connected in series with the load. That's why we are say fixed coil produces the flux is series flux. Next, moving coil. Moving coil is connected in parallel to the supply. That's why moving coil produces flux is shunt flux. Similarly, the moving coil is connected in series with the high resistance. The main function of high resistance is when heavy current flows through the moving coil, this resistance will be limit the heavy currents. That's why we are using high resistance. Next, this moving coil is supported with the help of axle. Axle is supported with the help of jeweled bearings. The jeweled bearings we are used to reduce the friction, and these jeweled bearings are helpful to rotate the axle easily. Next, the light aluminum pointer is attached to the spindle. The major thing is the moving coil, also known as present coil. Moving coil is placed between the two fixed coils. This is the major important. The moving coil is placed between the fixed coils. Fixed coil also known as current coil. Next, when we are applying the I1 amperes of current in fixed coil, it produces the flux Φ1. This flux also known as series flux. When we are applying the I2 amperes of current in moving coil, it produces the flux is Φ2. This flux also known as shunt flux. Why was the shunt flux means the coil is connected in parallel to the supply. That's why we are saying shunt flux. This both fluxes, series flux and shunt flux, causes the deflecting torque will be produced. This deflecting torque causes coil will be rotated. Coil rotates means spindle also rotates. Spindle rotates means the light aluminum pointer is moved from initial position to over calibrated scale. Dynamometer type wattmeter principle is similar to the DC motor principle. When current carrying conductor is placed between the two fluxes, the conductor will be experiencing a magnetic force. Thus the coil will be rotated. Dynamometer type wattmeter principle and DC motor principle is similar. Dynamometer type wattmeter we are using both AC and DC measurements. coil are designed less number of turns with thick wire. Moving coil are designed more number of turns with thin wire. These are the major difference between the moving coil, fixed coil. Moving coil also known as pressure coil, fixed coil also known as current coil. Working principle is similar to the DC motor. When current carrying conductor is placed in magnetic field, the conductor will be experiencing a magnetic force. In this instrument, it produces a flux ∅1, fixed coil. This will be act as a magnetic field. The moving coil produces the flux is ∅2. This both fluxes distortion causes coil will be rotates. When heavy currents will be flows through the moving coil, this high resistance will be limits this heavy currents. These are the major function of high resistance. My heartfelt thanks those are supported me. Thank you.